3, go.
난 모를 거야. 아마 날 모를 거야. 웃고 있는 내 모습은 진짜.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Yvonne, and if you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make beaded bracelets. I'm going to be making two beaded bracelets. One is going to be from multicolored beads, and the other one is going to be from red colored beads. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So let's begin the video. 0.8mm elastic band for the beads. I got them from a local market, so you can get them anywhere. These are the beads that I'll be using to make bracelets. These are the multicolored ones, then this is the red one. So we're going to start by cutting the thread. It's better to have extra than not have enough thread, so I'm going to cut a long amount. So I think it should be enough. So I'm going to cut from here, in this place. Yeah. So this is the length I cut. I'm going to be starting with the multicolored beads. So let me just open this. You can also get your beads from the local market, so anywhere else that you want to get it from. I got mine from the local market too. So I'm going to be starting with this yellowish golden bead, and you repeat the process of putting beads until you know that the bracelet is going to wrap around your wrist. So now I'm going to tie the strand together. I finished putting in the beads. So now I'm going to tie the strand. So tie this together. Tie it again. So guys, this is bracelet. After I've tied this and I've cut the extra string, so now I'm going to wear it. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Look at that. For the red beads, you just repeat the same process.
지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까 baby 네 눈을
So this is the red one. So this is the red bead. It looks so pretty too. So let's wear it. So pretty too. So nice. These are the two bracelets I made. They look so pretty, guys. So we've come to the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making these beads. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. That's the end of this video. Bye guys, and see you in the next one.